Hey, what's up guys, it's Jean, and today I'm gonna be showing you guys how I do my blowout routine without any heat damage and for type 4 hair. Right now my hair is actually pretty dry. I think I left it out a little bit too long, so it's looking like this right now. But we're gonna spray it a little bit with some water, put the product that we need to put in it, and then we'll be good to go. But before we get into the video, please go ahead and subscribe and hit the notification bell so that you know when's the next time I post. Let's get right into the video. Okay, so first what I'm gonna do is I'm going to put my hair into sections. So we're gonna just take this big section right over here and pin it up. I just want to do this so fast. I hate when I'm just sitting here blowing out my hair and it's taking me forever. Put this one up. Yeah, I just put this one up and now it's going back down. Well, the blow dryer that I'm gonna be using today is this bad boy. Ooh, this is the Hot Shot Tools. I believe I got this from Sally's, and I'm gonna be using the attachment comb. Now like just put it back on. There we go. This is what we're gonna be using today. Let me just plug it in though. Okie dokie. First thing that we're gonna do is go ahead and spray the hair. Ooh, let me bring my mirror over here so I can see myself a little bit better. Just spray it with some water because, as you can see, my curls are parched. They're parched. I am going to take the Shea Moisture Jamaican Black Castor Oil Strengthen and Restore Leave-In Conditioner with shea butter, peppermint, and apple cider vinegar. And yo, Shea Moisture's titles be so long for no reason. Why can't they put the shea butter, peppermint, and apple cider vinegar where they say the ingredients is? I'm confused. Anyways, this is what I'm gonna be using. Can you guys see that? I'm gonna be using a little bit of that. Just a little bit, because you don't want this to weigh down your hair. Just a little bit for the ends too. Okay, after we do that, we're just gonna take the Dem brush. Okay, I know it's called a Denman brush, but I like Dem. I like that better. It's easier. We're just gonna brush through the hair. This is what you're gonna need, okay? If you are scared about getting heat damage, that's why you don't want to blow dry your hair. To be safe, to be very safe, you gonna need some heat protectant. The TRESemme Heat Protectant looks like this. It's amazing. It smells a little strong, but this is what I use. This is what I use when I blow out my hair every single time. It's done what it says that it's supposed to do. Okay, so I know this thing locks. I hope it's not this junk locked. There we go. Hold on. So we just gonna boop 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 boop. It's time to blow out the hair. So what I do is I actually put it on low. So I put it on low and I put the heat on low in the beginning. After I do that, in the end, just to, you know, blow it out to the fullest, then I put the speed on high just to completely blow it out and get the length that I want. But let's get right into it. This is why I hate blowing out my hair. Your girl gets hot really easily. But this is the first section right here. I'm just gonna twist it up to get it out the way. Never mind. let's try this again. Let's try this again. Okay, that looks like it might stay. So then this section right here, we're gonna split that. Put this up. We're gonna spray it with some water. Go in with the Jamaican black castor oil strengthen restore leave-in conditioner by Shea Moisture. See what I'm saying? It's just really long, not too much. We're actually going to split this in 2 sections. I really want to make sure that I get it as straight and smooth as possible. We're going to detangle it. We're going to take the heat protectant again, spray it a little bit. Okay, and then we're just going to twist this section up as well. I'm hot. I am hot. Now I remember why I don't blow out my hair as much as I want to. Because it takes too darn long. My hair is just it's too thick for this. This arm gonna be strong. Once I'm finished with this, oh, I'm about to do this side and I'll be right back, okay? Okay, that's it, you guys. That is my blowout routine. These are the products that I use to prevent any heat damage or anything like that. As you can see, it's not like the professionals, but I do what I can. I have a lot of hair. Like I completely forget how much hair I have when I'm always doing wash and goes. But anyways, that is it, you guys. I hope you guys enjoyed it. If you did, please go ahead and give this video a like and hit that subscribe button. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button, and please stay tuned for more videos to come. Thank you guys so much for watching. Bye.